Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about fonts in Notion. Generally speaking, there are like two types of ways you can create different fonts or use different fonts. The standard font is the one you're seeing here right now, or when I type hello, this will be the standard font you get when you create a new page. But now, if you want to change the font, the first way to do this is to click on these three dots, and then you can see these three styles where you can change the font. And if you change the font here, what you can see happening is that it changes the title as well as the text and all other texts here as well. So it's going to change the font for the entire page. Now there are some scenarios where you don't want to use the three fonts that are given to you. The first one is when you want a completely different font, or for example, if you just want a single line or a single part of your page to have a specific font. And the way you can do that is by using inline equations. You can create an equation by typing your slash, as usual, for the different commands you can use, and then you're just going to type equation, or iku, as I wrote it, and then you click on this inline equation. With equations you can do lots of different things, but right now we want to focus on fonts. So there is a command for a font, and I've listed them here for all the different fonts there are. The first one is, for example, typewriter, then there's sans serif, chalkboard, and so on. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this by demonstrating a typewriter. As you can see, hello is written in this typewriter font right here. And basically you're going to just copy and paste this specific command. Once you created your equation, copy and paste it. Oh, something went really wrong. Or instead of copy and pasting it, I'm just going to type it, mathtt, and then in the curly brackets you just write your text. We're just going to do hello. Here we go, and there you have your text in a different font. Now if you want to do multiple words, as you can see, when I type something, it's not going to put a space there automatically. What you got to do there is, instead of a space, you add this wave thing that I don't know how to call, and as you can see, it created a white space in between. So I will, if you want, you can stop this video and take a screenshot to remember all these commands. If you don't want to do that, I will be providing a link below to an article where all these types of things you can use in equations are listed.